Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Say fast, say nobody they argue with the Oba of Benin. Waiting Oba of Benin talk na final. Say fast, they send message to the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki. Make I leave you now, make you hear the message. Enjoy the video.
Obedo Atokberi, he said, Omobo Mehin, I'm a little child. I only know little. I don't know much. Because whatever you have not reached, wherever you have not reached, you don't know anything about that very particular areas. So we all need to be very careful. I'm here this time to talk on the issue of artifacts. If you all can observe very well, you will get to know that I've never talked about it. I've not written about it. Because as a child, I already know that those things were taken from the palace, or rather stolen. So now upon the return of the same artifacts, we are not supposed to have issue with it. They should simply return them to where they stole them from, which is the palace. Because these artifact things we're talking about has a great mystery that a lot of us don't know. I was so very happy and so pleased when I watched our royal father, Oba Ewaritu Ogidigan of Benin Kingdom. Even when he ordered his chiefs to go and pray for His Excellency Godwin Obaseki. Our tradition is so human, is so godly. Why? Because even the Bible says, when you see your brother fall in a fault or about to get into temptation, you pray. Jesus Christ said, Peter, you were almost taken by the devil, but I prayed for you. Why did the Oba order the chiefs to go and pray for His Excellency? Because they know that something is not right. Or your boy you can boy say, because Emi know or ma clear even to them. Oba talked about communication gap. Yes. And that is the reason why the Oba has to come and talk to the entire Edo people all around the world. And the entire people, we are not in support for His Excellency to have anything that will have to do with that artifact. He does not have any business there. Personally, I supported His Excellency Godwin Obaseki as the governor of Edo State. But on this matter of artifact, I'm not supporting him. Politics, relationship, marriage, if you look at them very well, for those who understand, they are almost the same thing. There are so many things, despite your wife is your wife, there are so many things you would disagree with her. Despite your husband is your husband, there are so many things you would disagree with him as a wife. But that doesn't mean you people will become enemies, because you have to resolve your differences and still remain together. My support still remains with the state government, because we supported, because we want the state government to move the state forward. We want the ongoing development to move on. We don't want any interruption. Peter Osas, you asked in my first video before what is happening in Benin. Okay, let me tell you, Benin is very cool. Edo, where my family is so okay. Ostehama, I greet you, my brother. Happy Sunday. Edo State is very cool. Edo you understand? Edo State is very, very cool. So whatever thing you people are hearing about, there are also plans to tackle them. So everybody should just remain at peace. Not they ugly about us all the time. The world is watching. Yes, there is problem at home, some few issues, which we also have a way to solve them. Kederiade, I've been hearing about it. I said, not until our royal father speaks about it, I am not saying anything. So glad to hear that Oba of Benin have spoken. His Excellency Godinoras Obaseki, we have a lot of jobs to do. Please. Gelegele Seaport, the refinery, we all campaigned with. We campaigned with them because, yes, we know there is really a site for all these things. And we saw some certain things ongoing, even during the campaign. That's why we all came on board to support you so that we can have all these things achieved to move our dear state forward. The Gelegele Seaport, I know that every project has duration. But I strongly believe that instead of channeling this strength, dragging artifact that has no business with you, I believe we can put more of this strength in that Gelegele Seaport on the refinery, because if we are able to complete that refinery and the seaport on time, I believe it will employ a handful numbers of youth in the state. Yes, my brother, you have every reasons to laugh. It's just like when some certain things are happening in some people's marriage, other people will be laughing. Although where you getting it? We are all humans. You cannot predict 100% of about any human being. There is no way. Those you feel they are very good today, when you engage them, tomorrow when they get there, you find a different thing with them. But with mature mind, there are better ways to solve issues with whoever you are supporting or that is close to you, that might be doing something you don't agree to or you don't like. We want our state governor to be redeemed. The Oba himself wants our state governor to be redeemed. A lot of us who are making other videos, you are entitled to your opinions. I'm not against them. But I want us to go back and look and watch the video our Oba made and listen to him carefully. If you go through the line of his words, you will know that our Oba wants this whole thing to be done peacefully. He doesn't want to lose anybody. He doesn't want to lose the state governor. That way, a state governor or a major bono Jinedo. So that's why he ordered in the first place, the chief should go and pray for him. Maybe he woke up by the very wrong side of the bed. So go and pray for him. So that no make it now if you with here. Where will this system, the new system we have today? Atebe governor we cannot budget. We cannot overemphasize the supremacy of our royal home. That's why, despite the constitution or the institution of governor or whatever in the state, we still strongly believe and rely on our royal home than any other leadership. Yes, let us be factual. So please, His Excellency Godinoras Obaseki, please take your eyes off the artifacts. If there is anything you know you can do with the artifacts to make Edo State get better, please and please work with our royal father. Work with our royal father. Our royal father talked about communication gap. That means he's not even asking you off completely from the artifact. That clearly states that if at all you think you have anything to do with the artifact that will better all of us, come and, talk it out with him. So please, don't let the authority you have as a governor to get into your head. You have few days, few months to leave that office. Oba will be there forever. The royal home will be there forever. I don't wait no fear ko Oba hwe. Oba taine. Obuga we mi no ma. Okewe wudau. Uga we mi ne ma. Okewe wudau. That shows that even with the supremacy of our Oba, is not ready to make use of any of his authority to fight over these artifact things. Those artifacts are with great miseries. How? So who doesn't understand it much shouldn't go after the value. Because of the value, you want to hijack them. Please, let these things kindly go back to where they were stolen from. Let us have our peace. We have a lot of issues to tackle. His Excellency Godwin Onyemaechi Obaseki. We have a lot of issues to tackle. A lot. A lot. A lot of us who supported you are still receiving insulting today. We are all still in the street doing our daily job, what we have been doing before even we supported. Because we did not support for any appointment. We did not support for you to give us a particular job. But yet we are still being bastardized, having you come back for the second tenure. So please, we have gotten a lot insult, sir. Though we are not worried, but we expect you to be doing the right thing. So that even though people keep insulting us, we don't have any reason to be biased or to be feeling bad, because after all, who we supported is doing what he's supposed to do. And what if I know what your boy worry fair? Forget about it. Let it go to the appropriate place, please. Please, Governor, face them. Face them, because when we were campaigning along with you, when we were supporting you, you never told us you will need the artifact to achieve anything in the state. So please, His Excellency, I see you as a man with great intelligence. They are not directing you in the right path, because I know you are not in this alone. There is no way you can be in this alone. Please, those around you that might be telling you, because of the value, you can't go there, because if he goes there, we will not have any say or control over it. Please don't allow the value of these things. Don't allow the value of these things to override you. Please, His Excellency Godwin Onyemaechi Obaseki, the Oba have sent the chiefs to pray for you. They did not lay curse on you. You see, that is to show how much the royal home loves you. How much they are supporting you. They are praying for you so that you will not go astray. Because so please, I'm using my voice, this same voice I use in telling people, vote His Excellency Godwin Onyemaechi Obaseki. I'm using the same voice to tell you to stay off what you don't have any business with. Stay off it. If you think you have business with the artifact coming, if you think the artifact can better our lives, please go to the palace and work with our royal father. The both of you should work out things. Then you can go ahead with whatever plans you want to make. But as it stands now, so many people now are even overreacting, insulting you, doing all kind of things. But Obama, why yani? Because when Obaya gwa, edaloga de engwe, omagwa in a way, ne ezo ado ya roto, nigbina ado ya de. No, our Oba spoke in a way that if anybody truly loves this state and you want to contribute into this matter of artifact, you should know the way to also contribute your own. Because our father was not riotic in his approach. So we too, we should be very careful too. Please, our Oba approach or say over the artifact is final. Mama, you need a grammar board. We don't need any grammatical structure over the artifact. We don't even need explanation from you, sir. What you born worry. Please, it is what we want. Nedoga man, useluga ma, emayaji. Obedwa Atokbe, he said, want to thank our royal father. Our God Almighty will continue to bless you with more wisdom, knowledge, and understanding to continue to lead us all. So Mayani will contribute on this issue. Allow let us follow the step of our royal father. If you have not watched the video very well, or you watched it, you did not listen so very carefully, please go back, listen very well. You will get to know how our father, our royal father was sounding. You will get to see his paralanguage. You will know that it needs nothing but peace. Nala Awuwu. Peace. May the Lord bless us all.
Now we don't hear from Cephas. Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.